what we're going to get into is circular patterning. So in order to do this, we're going to want to turn on our origin, that's over here, and we're going to want to create a sketch. So we'll go up to create sketch, and we'll select the Z plane or the bottom plane right here, and we will make a simple circle. I'm going to say that it is 10 millimeters, and if you want, that should be enough. Next, we're going to go over and make a simple extrude, and you'll remember from our last video that you can make an extrusion by clicking over here. And the last step, I want to show you your first hotkey, which is just typing S. This is your search. You could type in circular pattern, will just pop up. Or if you want to find it in your window, it's over here under pattern. So in order to do this, we will select an object, and we can select an axis. That could be here, or you could say that you wanted it to go here, for example. And when you're done, you select whatever orientation you want, and you take a screenshot. Remember, that's Shift Command 4. You take a screenshot of your work, and you're good to go.